Far away in the quiet mountains, there was a small monastery. An old monk named Ananda lived there, wise, peaceful, and full of secrets about the mind. One day, a young man from the busy city came to him. Tired and anxious, he fell at Ananda's feet and said, "Master, my mind never rests, worries never stop. How do I find peace?" Ananda smiled and said, "Peace is not outside. It's hidden inside you. Let me share 5 simple ways that monks use to calm their minds. Listen carefully and practice daily. Focus on your breath. First, Ananda said, learn to listen to your breath. Close your eyes. Feel the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and leaving your body. When your thoughts run wild, gently return to your breath. Even a few minutes of deep, conscious breathing can silence 1,000 thoughts. Walk mindfully. Second, he continued, walk like a monk. In the monastery, we walk slowly, feeling each step touching the earth. Try this. Walk barefoot on grass or in your room. With every step, say in your heart, I am here, I am calm. This simple walk will anchor you to the present, away from your worries. Chant mantra. Third, chant a mantra. Choose a word like peace, or calm. Sit quietly and repeat it softly or in your mind. A mantra is like a friend for your thoughts. It stops the noise and brings silence inside you. Do this for 5 minutes each day and feel your mind soften like a gentle breeze. Sit with nature. Fourth, Ananda said, nature is the monk's greatest teacher. Sit under a tree, listen to birds, watch the clouds drift by. Don't judge, don't think, just watch. Nature heals you without saying a word. Next time your heart feels heavy, go and sit in a quiet garden. Let the wind calm your soul. Practice gratitude. And fifth, Ananda smiled, be grateful. Every night before you sleep, close your eyes and remember 3 things you are thankful for. They can be small, a smile, a good meal, a kind word. Gratitude turns restlessness into peace and teaches your mind to see beauty even in ordinary days. The secret of peace. The young man listened deeply and followed these 5 ways every day. Days turned into weeks, and slowly, the storms inside him became silent rivers. He realized peace was never far away. It was always within him. These are the secrets monks live by. Simple, timeless, powerful. Try them, and you too will find the calm you have been searching for. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs peace today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories of wisdom and serenity.